In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create Reggaeton inside of Suno AI. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Suno AI like you usually would. Then from here, you need to go down to Create and over from Simple to Custom Song. Then from here, you need to add in instrumental if you don't write any lyrics on your song. Then from here, you need to go down to Styles, where you need to write in a prompt. If you don't already have prompts to choose from, I have a bunch of them linked down in the description for you to check out. But let's get going. So we need to create some reggaeton. We want it to be perreo. We want it to be some Latin pop. We want it to be some dark type music, and we need it to be 4x4. You can also change a BPM if you want to do that, but it is really up to you. But you will learn a lot more about that in my course down below. So from here you need to click create, and when it's done creating, I will showcase you how both of them is gonna sound like. Okay, and now for the next one. And if you don't like any of these versions, you can either try to create them again, or you can try to edit some of the prompts over here. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please let me down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!